Hey, what's up everyone? This is Jeremy and welcome to my video series, How Do You Work This Thing? Pro Tools. This video is going to be about file organization. So yeah, kind of a lame topic, I get it, but sometimes you really just need to know this stuff. So I really just want to walk you through how files are organized in Pro Tools. So let's just get right to it. I'm going to open up a Pro Tools session from a project I had for a client a couple days ago, and let's just walk you through that. It's probably the easiest way to show you. So I'm going to go into my hard drive. I'm going to go to my freelance, go to my client, and let's do this one. Okay, so essentially, this is how Pro Tools files are organized. So franchise development is going to be my root folder. So when I was creating a session, my session was called franchise development. And within that folder, Pro Tools automatically creates subfolders and to sort out all of your audio files. So let's just talk about what these are real quick. So audio files, whenever you import anything into Pro Tools, at least audio related, not necessarily video, we'll get to that in a second. If you import any audio, Pro Tools is automatically going to import that audio into your audio files folder that it had created for you. Bounce files. So this is something I haven't talked about yet. Bounce files are files that you have exported from Pro Tools. So whenever you export a completed file in Pro Tools, it's going to throw it right into this bounce files folder. This right here, so this is a PTX file. It just stands for a Pro Tools, I don't know, Pro Tools X file. Who knows? I don't know why they name these things. But this is going to be a Pro Tools file. So this file right here is going to basically encompass all of the data that makes up your Pro Tools session. Okay, so this file right here is going to recall how all of your audio files are processed. If you have any reverb or delay or effects on them or EQ, this file right here is basically going to be controlling all of that. Now, this is actually really cool because it's a really tiny file. Essentially, it's really just data. There's really nothing going on here. It's like 167 kilobytes, which isn't very big at all, and it doesn't get too much bigger than that. But this just allows your Pro Tools to a session to essentially exist. So this pretty much contains everything your Pro Tools session is. So without this, there is no Pro Tools. And if you were to manually try to open Pro Tools and go back to franchise development, this is the thing you double click because this is going to be your actual software. Session file backup. So this is kind of cool because Pro Tools will automatically save your session files at some sort of interval it deems pertinent. Maybe right before you close sessions. I actually don't know the algorithm for which it does it, but as you can see, I have some backup sessions right here. I had nothing to do with this. Pro Tools just sort of did it on its own. Video files. Video files are the folder that you would essentially throw your video files into. Now this is kind of interesting, and I'm not too sure if this is a quirk on mine, but whenever I import video, it doesn't import it into this video files folder. I have to manually drag the video into it and then import the video as I normally would audio. And then wave cache. This is just a little file that tells Pro Tools what your WAV files look like within the software. The short of it is that it lets your software open faster. So this file is actually pretty good to have. So anyway, that's just a quick video. Just wanted to show you the organizational structure of the folder system within Pro Tools. It's not glamorous. I get it. It's kind of boring, but sometimes you just got to know this stuff. Thanks for tuning in. If you got any more questions, throw them in the comment section below. I'll probably answer them. And until next time, see ya.